this stage, yeah, but they won't. So off you go.
Has anyone fallen down?
Nope.
That's good. This is what you can pick up his. So what do I do?
Okay, so you're on the last rung still? Okay, cool. What you're going to do now, you still have to put your weight into the harness, okay? So this is a little bit longer, so you've got to get your bum backwards. So you still need to do this sort of position, okay? Straighten your legs until it's got all the weight. Excellent. Then you're going to take your hands and you're going to hang on to the orange buckle, both of them. Yeah? I've got you. Yeah? Are you good? What you're going to do now, you're going to keep your feet on the ladder, okay?
Yep.
And don't move your feet, and I'll let you down nice and slow. Don't move your feet.
Look up, Jesse. Ooh.
Okay, now you're going to wrap your feet around the rope. Wrap it around, and you're going to stick your arms out. Stick both your arms out to the side. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You might want to go the other way. I'll let you down. It's probably a bit more graceful if I let you down. So you want to flip backwards, yeah? That's the trick. Good stuff, Jesse.
Wait, what do you mean by? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, otherwise you're going to end up